Tired of DuckDuckGo and ready to switch back to Google or something else entirely? I'm here to show you exactly how to remove DuckDuckGo from Chrome in just a few simple steps. Whether it's your default search engine or a pesky extension, let's dive in. First, click on the three vertical dots located in the upper right-hand corner of your Chrome browser. This opens the Chrome menu. Scroll down and select Settings. This will open a new tab with Chrome Settings page. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a menu. Click on Search Engine. Now, look for the search engine used in the address bar option. Click the drop-down menu next to it. A list of available search engines will appear. Select your preferred search engine, like Google, Bing, or any other that you like. This will make it your default search engine. If DuckDuckGo is still lingering, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This will show you a list of all installed search engines. Find DuckDuckGo in the list. Click on the three dots next to DuckDuckGo and select Remove from List. This will completely remove DuckDuckGo as a search engine option. Finally, if you have the DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials extension installed, type Chrome Extensions into your address bar and press Enter. Find the DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials extension and click the Remove button. Confirm the removal when prompted, and that's it. You're all set.